Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good. And yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. Today in this video is all about a product review. I'm going to review a product. It's a mic. It is the cheapest mic for a YouTuber. And yeah, here is the product. I buy this from Amazon. I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna review this. You can see there is a slip. It's the packing. Oh damn! And here is the mic. Okay. It's long enough, and mic. You can open this, and a small clip. Okay, guys, let me start. Before that, if you want this kind of band, it is a DIY band which I made this band in home. If you want how I made this and all, I'll share the link in the description. You can go there and you can watch. Guys, before buying any products, first we'll look out of its specification and price, and we will decide whether it is reasonable for its specification or not. Guys, let me tell the price of this mic. I got this for $164 with delivery charge, and price is less. Okay, then what's about its specification? Let me discuss with its specification now. This mic is compatible with PC, laptop and mobiles with Android and even iPhones, and DSLR camera also. Guys, you'll get 3.5mm of small jack such that it is very easy to insert your Android cells and all. And later you'll get a small clip such that you can insert your shirt or t-shirts. And later you'll get a small filter like this. And this is a mic. Guys, the upper case like this, if it is damaged also you'll get this in market for nearly 10 or even 20 rupees, that's it. And this one particularly when you speak, it's cover all 360 degree, and which helps to reduce the environmental noise. And best thing is that you'll get this wire of 1.5 meter long such that you can fix your camera there and you can insert and you can speak long distance up to 1.5 meter you can speak. Let me test this. Now I was speaking in my inbuilt microphone. Now I'm gonna insert this to my camera and we'll see the differences. I'm gonna insert. Now what I'm speaking is of this mic, new microphone. I think you guys will decide which is good, whether inbuilt microphone or this new microphone. And here you can easily insert to your shirt or t-shirt like this. And you can start your talking. I think it's very useful for new YouTubers like me, and you guys should select whichever mic you feel as best. Guys, I'll share this product link in the description. You can go there, you can buy in Amazon if you like this. And in my channel you'll get all this food, travel, fashion and all. You can check in my bio. And hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Until then, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you.